Hi guys, so actually initially I didn't prepare anything, but while I was scrolling through my Instagram, I found this question, and after that I saw like who is it from? It was from Instagram. I scrolled through this question and I think that wow, might be worth a try. Yeah, we can try this question now. So, right, let's see. 81 sine square x plus 81 to the power of cos square x, you will get equals to 30, and it wants you to solve for all the values of x from uh, all the values of x, but it didn't include a range, so I think it's just the answer lah. So what we can do is, firstly, I'm just gonna rewrite this real quick. 81 sine square x, sorry, it's a power, so you may have to be careful with this. 81 sine square x plus 81 cos square x, you will get is equals to 30. So what are rules that you have to know is, firstly, that trigonometry identity, sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. This is a really important identity for this question. So most of them couldn't do because of this thing they didn't know. So I'm just gonna show you sine square x plus cos square x equals to 1. It's a very important identity. Maybe I'll do another video showing like why this exists for a reason. There is a reason. This is the Pythagorean identity. But anyways, so I can I'm just gonna leave sine square x, but I am going to change cos square x into 1 minus sine square x. That's probably my best bet. So equals to 30. Alright, so I have this, I have this, I have this. So actually I can actually just do like for example, I can do 3 to the power 3 to the power of 4. I'm just gonna make it all into base 3 sine square x plus 3 to the power of 4 bracket 1 minus sine square x, you will get is equals to 30. We write this as 3 to the power of 4 sine square x plus 3 to the power of 4 minus 4 sine square x is equals to 30. So this one I can actually rewrite it as 3 to the power of 4 sine square x plus 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4 sine square x is equals to 30. And then I can actually use let y equals to 3 to the power of 4 sine square x. And we have, and from here, I'm just going to replace everything with, hold on, let me just get more space. I'm just going to replace everything with y. So y plus 3 to the power of 4 is 81 over this one. I can write it as y. You will get 30. So y square minus 30y plus 81 equals to 30. Then you just factorize it. I'm kind of lazy, so I'm just going to use a calculator. You will get y minus 27 y minus 3, yeah, equals to 0. So the values is, so you will know that your y has to be equals to 27 or 3. But that's just for value of y. To solve for the value of x, we can actually take, because I said let, so I'm just going to solve it back. 3 to the power of 4 sine square x is equals to 27, or 3 to the power of 4 sine square x is equals to 3. So I can actually change it, but actually you don't really need to put it. I don't know why, because I like to make it into the lowest base term. So I can say that 81 sine square x is equals to 27, or 81 sine square x is equals to 3. Alright, so to solve for, I'm just gonna solve this part first. So to solve for this, what I can do is, firstly, I can take the log from both sides. I'm just gonna log base 81 both sides. So I can bring down the sine square x. Sine square x is equals to log 81/27. You will get, so log base 81/27, you'll get 3/4. Because this one, I change it into in terms of log. So I will have log base 81/27. So sine square x, you'll get this. I'm just gonna square root both sides. You will know that sine x is equals to plus minus root 3/2. So from here, I can actually separate them into another equation. Sine x is equals to root 3/2, or sine x is equals to negative root 3/2. So from here, sine x is something equals to root 3/2. If you know your trigonometry identities, you will know that this is equals to 60. This one is in a negative value. I think your answer should be let me see, hold on, negative 60. So your x has to be negative 60. So this one is your first two answers. So for your other two answers, I can actually also take the log from both sides. You will know that sine square x is equals to log 81 base 81 3 1/4. So 1/4, I take the square root. You will know that sine x is equals to plus minus 1/2. Yeah. So sine x is equals to 1/2, or you know that sine x is equals to negative 1/2. You solve for it, you will know that x is equals to 30, or x is equals to negative 30. So therefore your final value of x is equals to 60, negative 60, 30, and negative 30. So these are the four answers. So what did I did? Trigonometry identity, let method, and also the trigonometry sum, Pythagorean identity. You all have to know this. So yeah, it's crucial lah, especially when you go to add further max, add max. You must know this. Alright, so yeah, today is kind of short. I wish you guys happy new year, and yeah.